In this video, I am going to show you how to add a website to Google Search Console. So let's see how we can do it. So this is our website that we have just created, and today we are going to add this website to the Google Search Console. So at first we are going to copy the link of our WordPress website, and then we will go to Google Search Console and then paste the link here under URL prefix, and after that we are going to click on continue. And now we need to download this HTML file from here and upload it to our website. So we are going to click on this download button, and as you can see that our Google file is now downloaded. To upload this file to our website, we do not need to access our cPanel account. So we will go back to our WordPress website dashboard, and then we are going to click on plugins and then add new. So we will use the plugin to upload this file to our website, and for this we do not need to access our cPanel account. So from here we are going to search for a plugin file lister, and after that we are going to click on install now. Now click activate. So as you can see that our plugin is now successfully installed and activated, and on the left menu you will see a new option, file manager. Just click on it. And now we are going to upload our file to the website that we have downloaded from the Google. So from the top we are going to click on this upload button, and after that we are going to click on select files. Now we are going to select the file from our computer and then click on open. And as you can see that we have successfully uploaded our HTML file to our website. And now we will go back to Google Search Console and then click on verify. And as you can see that our domain ownership is now verified and our website is now added to Google Search Console. And now from here we are going to click on go to property. And after that we are going to submit our website sitemap to the Google Search Console. So we are going to click on sitemaps from here, and now we will go to our website, and next to our domain we will put slash, and then we will type sitemap.xml, then hit enter. And now we are going to copy the sitemap part from here, go back to Google Search Console and paste it here, and after that just click on submit. And as you can see that we have successfully submitted our website sitemap. So this is how you can add your website to Google Search Console. Thank you so much for watching.